If you were to travel in the solar system past the orbit of Mars, you would encounter an area of solar system populated by large rocks called asteroids. The astronomers estimate that there are several lakhs of these asteroids populating the solar system, but not all of them are placed between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Some of them are even scattered all over the solar system. It's really messy place out there. Some of them are even crossing the orbit of Earth, and one could collide with our planet. We know one of these asteroids killed our friends dinosaurs, and one could hit our planet and wipe out all life in the future. There is only one way to save ourselves. Discover them before they discover us.
Space, in collaboration with Dr. Patrick Miller, Director, IASC, brought this project under the umbrella All India Asteroid Search Campaign to India for the second year in a row. 62 schools and amateur astronomy organizations were selected from different parts of India, including Delhi NCR, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Maharashtra, Karnataka and other states. Students from each group worked for 3 months to search for main belt asteroids. Through this program, SPACE has given school children the exciting opportunity to be involved in real-time science and to be at the forefront of research at an international level. Selected schools were given exclusive access to astronomy data sets of the sky, which was provided by the observatory in order to look for asteroids. It was Sahil Vadva and Amanjot Arora from Ryan International School who, for the first time ever, searched asteroids during All India Asteroid Search Campaign 2010 and created history for Indian students in the field of space science. The glory of All India Asteroid Search Campaign ever glowed more when in the year 2011, two young girls, Pragya Chawla and Aparajita Agarwal from Bal Bharti Public School, discovered one of the rare asteroids called Trojan.
This discovery of Trojan asteroids is important because this is the first time in the history of asteroid search campaign that a school student has actually discovered a Trojan asteroid. Trojan asteroids are basically asteroids which are not in the main belt, which is between Mars and Jupiter. Trojan asteroids are in the orbit of Jupiter, 60 degrees away, ahead or behind Jupiter. So these are very rare asteroids and very few numbers are there. And it is great achievement that one of our students, they have discovered a Trojan asteroid.
The feeling is really amazing. I feel so proud to have discovered an asteroid, and all the attention that we got today was really nice.
I feel great.
Chintan Petrobet and Umang Bhatia from Ryan International School repeated the history by their provisional discovery during All India Asteroid Search Campaign 2011.
The Ryanites have always made big in all the spheres. Thanks to our mentors, our Honorable Chairman Sir and Director Madam. I'm really proud of the young Ryanites, the young astronomers who have made a mark in the field of astronomy, and they have made not only the school but the entire country proud. I also appreciate the immense contribution made by SPACE in the field of All India Asteroid Space Research Organization. I think they are doing a commendable job. Thank you.
AISC rocks, Ryan rocks, we rock.
The other provisional discoverers were Akshit Mathur Kartik Ranjan from Navy Children's School, Vaibhav Sapra, Sharanjit Singh from Bal Bharti Public School, Trishit Makwana Naval Koralkar from Institute of Chemical Engineering, Chennai, Praful Sharma, Amol Garg and Sahil Vadba from Astronomicals team.
मेरे बेटे ने जो कुछ अपनी इच्छा से करा है और उसकी लगन है तो वह आगे और बढ़ेगा। मेरा उसके वास्ते बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद है। बहुत मेहनती है, पढ़ाई भी कर रहा है और सब कुछ कर रहा है।
Thank you to SPACE.
Thanks.
The All India Asteroid Search Campaign is all about discovering asteroids in space.
All India Asteroid Search Campaign was a great experience. In that we discovered our asteroid 2011 QT28. We felt very happy after that discovery.
We got to know about the All India Asteroid Search Campaign. We were very happy for that.
We were very keen to participate in this because of our passion towards astronomy.
Now I would like to talk about what the discovery process is in All India Asteroid Search Campaign. We have a lot of students who have been lucky enough and very hardworking enough to have a lot of discoveries, and they are curious about, will their names go into history? Will the asteroids be named after them? So if they have a preliminary discovery, it first has to be confirmed to be made into a provisional discovery, and confirmation has to happen within 7 days. If this happens, they have a provisional discovery, and the asteroid is given a formal name and sent to MPC, Minor Planet Catalog. And then there's a much longer process. This same asteroid has to be tracked over several points and over several years, and it might take all the way from 3 to 6 years to be tracked enough that MPC says it can be made into a formal discovery, and the students get the chance to name it. So students will have to wait for 3 to 6 years before they get their names on these asteroids and their name in history. But meanwhile, they should be happy that they've just done such a great job of finding an asteroid anyway.
The 2011 campaign marked 52 preliminary asteroid discoveries, 8 near-Earth object confirmations, and 298 new observations. With the discoveries reigning, it was a time of celebration. Space congratulates all the discoverers.
Congratulations to all, especially to the students who have done this discovery. For me, it's a dream that has come true. When we started all this, we actually hoped that the day would come when students would be doing these sort of projects, contributing to science.
Space will exclusively run All India Asteroid Search Campaign yearly, providing an international platform to all Indian school students.
Achieving such greater heights, and I wish them all the best.
Space is a very good program. It has provided students a never before given chance to cooperate with the PhD holders in the subject.
Thank you Space for all the wonderful opportunities given to all the kids, just like Dushyant said, never been given before. Thank you, and Space rocks.
Space people, I want to just congratulate you for the wonderful achievement and the wonderful work you do. Actually, I never knew I could do these things. I never dreamt of them actually. You gave me a dream.
I have seen those moments of distress where it was very difficult to convince scientists to let this data come to us and let that data go into the hands of small kids for doing this discovery. And since now it has been proven by the kids that it is possible for them under the right training to do and achieve feats which are otherwise impossible. I think it's a win-win situation for all of us.